जय जय शृङ्गाद्रि जय जय शृङ्गाद्रि विहरणव्यग्रे विहरणव्यग्रे जय जय पद्मजजाये जय जय पद्मजजाये जय जय जगदम्ब जय जय जगदम्ब शारदे सन्मुख मारुति बल भीमा सन्मुख मारुति बल भीमा सन्मुख मारुति बल भीमा सारी गई सरी लगाई सरी लपा
I didn't even know what this Pallavi means, and since I learned it, then I understood what Pallavi means. The best part was quiz and the snake and ladder we played yesterday.
Malay Marutam, Bhupalam, Malachi.
श्री महागणपते पालय शुमां मायामय वल्लभापते.
I held that emotion in, I felt that emotion in me. So especially Meenakshi mein Mudam and all, I got emotional because Meenakshi is my mom's name.
ತಾಳ ಜಲ ರಾಯ ಜೋಡ ರಾಯಿ ಬದ ತಾಳ ಜಲ ರಾಯ ಜೋಡ
கந்துக மதக்கரையே விஷமாக நடத்தலாம், கரடி வெண்புல் வாரியும் கட்டலாம், நீர் மேல் நடக்கலாம், கடல் மேல் இருக்கலாம், எல்லாம் பண்ணலாம். How many of you understood this? You can tie the tiger's mouth, you can walk on water, you can sit on fire, okay? All that you can do. But just to keep quiet is so difficult. It's not keeping quiet, it is keeping silent, in being silent in bliss. And that is the experience of this workshop. Every year, being in Keramane and being with all of you, with all these lovely children and all the elders as well, it is such a rewarding experience.
Udupi Krishnana
I think there is only joy here. There's nothing else. We sing happily. We all spend time happily, and with the grace of Sharadamma and Shri Acharyas, I can only pray that all of us continue to sing happily like this and learn happily like this, because learning is never ending. ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಸಂಘರ್ಷಮಯವಾಗಿದೆ ಪ್ರಪಂಚ. ಅದೆಲ್ಲಾನು ಮರೆತುಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾವು ಯಾವುದೋ ರಸಸಾಗರದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾನ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ 5 ದಿವಸ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದೀಸ್ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಲೆಜೆಂಡ್ಸ್. ಎವ್ರಿ ಇಯರ್ ವಿ genuinely feel so loved and happy, and thank you very much, and hope you all continue to sing these songs and feel happy every time you sing them. Thank you.
ದುರ್ಗಾ ಬಂದೆ, ಅದು ಕೂಡ ಅವ್ರದೇ ರಚನೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟವಾಗುವಂಥ ಸಾಲು ಅಂದರೆ ಕರವಾಲ ಹಸ್ತಾಂ ಕರುಣಾಲ ವಾಲ, ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಖಡ್ಗ ಇದ್ರು ಆ ಕರುಣಾಲ ವಾಲ ಅಂತ ದುರ್ಗೆಯನ್ನು ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸೊಗಸಾಗಿ ಸ್ತುತಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Big thanks to the housing arrangement and everything. I've never been here like in Tulasi Mittam and all the olden style architecture. I've not seen that much. Very beautiful house. And the food was also really nice, Kannada food, and they even gave ice cream. At a music workshop they gave ice cream.
Heaven, I'm seriously in a different world. Absolutely, because of that. Thank you so much, Savitri Ma'am and Prabhakar sir. Of course, Pavani, Pannaga.